Here are 3 exercises that are great for building muscle that you're probably not doing. Number 1, ring assisted pull-up. Pull-ups in general are a fantastic exercise, if not the best, for strength and muscle growth of the upper body. However, this regressed version stimulates the same muscles as the pull-up. Doing the ring assisted pull-up means there is less load on the movement. This means you can go for higher reps. Higher reps aiming for around 12 to even 20 is a great area for muscle growth. So by doing this, you will build your back really effectively. However, the main reason why I like this movement is because of the form it promotes. A lot of us skip out on full range of motion when we are doing pull-ups, which means you're not getting the most out of the movement. But this exercise means you can squeeze your back at the top of the movement, which means that you have full range of motion. The squeeze at the top of the movement is amazing for your back and all your pull-up muscles. By mastering this movement, your mind-muscle connection with the pull-up will improve, therefore not only increasing the effectiveness of your pull-ups, but increase the amount of reps you can do. I love this exercise and do it a lot, even though I can still do 8 to 12 pull-ups, so I 100% recommend you try this. Number 2, decline push-ups with extra range of motion. This movement is a game changer for your push-ups. I personally use a parallel on its side, but you can use books or boxes or anything that gives you that extra depth. The range of motion that the movement gives you is fantastic for hitting all your muscle fibers in your chest. But what is so good about this is that the depth causes the side delt to be activated, meaning that you will build your side delt from this movement without spamming lateral raises with dumbbells. I will also mention that the front delt and upper chest get the nicest stretch, so this movement is great for the growth of those also. So this exercise is my number 1 exercise to build a full chest and well-rounded shoulders. Also, I can't forget the triceps. The depth means that your triceps are activated in a further position than 90 degrees that you would get from a regular push-up. So in terms of strength and size of your triceps, this exercise is a really effective way of hitting them. Since I discovered this exercise, there is no going back. Number 3, towel grip rows. I was skeptical about this exercise until I started doing it. Now, I will mention first that I discovered this by doing it inside on my door and realised, wow, this is so much harder than I thought it was. Then I tried it attached to the rings, and yes, I got the same burn and same feeling. I tried doing full pull-ups with the towel but realised that I couldn't do more than 2 because of how hard it was to grip the towel, so this excited me to get really good at it using a regressed version. The goal is to perform this exercise with full pull-ups because I can guarantee you not a lot of people can do this exercise if you ask them to. It's amazing for your back and biceps, but the main focus is forearms and grip strength, something which should be 100% worked on within your workouts. So those are the 3 exercises that you're probably not doing but should be doing. Also, let me know some exercises that you like to do which others are probably not doing. I hope you put these in your workouts because you won't regret it, trust me. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos, look after your body, stay healthy. Cheers.